Some people think nature is like this. It's actually like this. Don't worry, a raccoon broke his fall.
Not again.
Mother Nature can be a real motherfucker. That's why Columbia engineers everything we make for anything nature can throw at you. Columbia, engineered for whatever.
Okay, so what I really love about this ad is, one, it's just fun as hell, right? It's just really fun. It's a perfect blend, fusion of, I think, AI and live action shots and real footage. I think that's really where the best way to use AI right now. It doesn't look completely fake, but you're integrating with shots to really make it look a lot better. So, for example, AI right now, it doesn't do product great in my experience, especially with video. So it's not going to take your product and make it look the best, and that's why you can see when they're showing
Mother Nature can be a real mother.
of product, and you can see like with the shoe, of course, right at the end, all this live action shots that they have. But they can take this, a shot like this
Columbia.
of someone that they shot, it looks like on a mountain running, and then add in all these cool lightning effects in the background. So that's really right now with where a lot of the AI video is. It's better to combine it in this way cleverly, right? To where you can still do a lot of fun stuff like the snake, the lightning, the avalanche. I mean, this mud monster and this metal snowman, hardcore metal snowman dude beating him up. And then you got the cartoon effect here with the hot dog and the vulture. And then I like this teeth chattering here. But then you're mixing in, looks like real footage from a weather channel. And so, yeah, it doesn't it doesn't look overly fake. It's fake where you want it to be, where the ridiculousness is. It makes it very entertaining, but you have, I love the death chasing him down, but you have enough of the live action shots to make it look real, especially with product and people. So I see a lot of good creative agencies starting to do it in this way. This is some of the stuff like we're working on, as well as getting it to really blend seamlessly, so it doesn't just seem overly AI fake, and you can really get a good effect there, right? So I really like it. I like that they're leaning into this idea that nature's not just stopping and smelling the flowers, but you want our gear for those tough times in nature when it's cold as hell. When you're running and you got swamp ass and you're chafing and you got a cut or a bruise, Columbia is really made to withstand the elements, right? Because anyone that's a true outdoors person is going to understand that it's not always rainbows and butterflies, so to speak. It can get pretty brutal out there, and Columbia is here to kind of save the day for you, and it's built for this tough environment. So I really like that. Overall, I think this is a big win. Interested to see more ads like this in this direction.